Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Sambhaji Brigade was a party which I had to take because if I wouldn't have taken the Sambhaji Brigade, I couldn't have put in the third contestant. Other, I would have put in two independents and I would have come up after the election with my party, which would have been Rising Sun. Right? After the first assembly, if my MLAs, let me introduce candidates from Shiroda, Mr. Mukesh Naik, Ms. Diana Fernandez from Sholem, and Ms. Maria DiCosta, who is my wife, from Mandrem. So my thing is, how will you stop corruption in Goa? First thing, after the first assembly of Goa, whoever is the CM, whatever is the what they say, they have to come together. Now if BJP comes with Congress or Congress comes with anyone, they have to take someone's help. If you all bring us three together, my three will be like an blast in the assembly. If we are winning, whatever is their manifesto, I bought it under one manifesto, like all the parties in Goa. त्या लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी जे प्रॉमिस केला, I bought a manifesto exactly what they are wanting to give. So my point is, if all of them can give, why can't I give it to the Goans? It's not coming from my pocket. So I'll give it from the government's pocket to you all. The thing what I promise you all from my pocket is, if my candidates are not elected, still I'll fight for you all. If you all bring us in a full majority, we will fight like kings. We are not in the assembly, still we'll fight for the people. The best way what I have thought to help the people in my three constituency, I'll be appointing a firm of lawyers, 6 lawyers in in all three constituency, and 6 doctors in all the three constituency. That will be funded by my party itself, where I'll be paying them for the 5 years. I'm guaranteeing you. This is the only thing what I can do for the Goans. Like if you are having a problem with the police, you are having a problem with the panchayat, you are having a problem with your own minister, it will be me who will be fighting for you all. If I am not able to handle, it will be my lawyers who will be fighting free of cost for the person who is really, really poor. That is the gift what I can give a poor person in Goa.
जो कितें रिस्पॉन्स म्हाका मेळ्ळो तो रिस्पॉन्स एज इट इज आसा. लोकांचे म्हाका बरे सामकी प्रायोरिटी आसा की बाबा तूं मुखार वच आनी आमी तुजे फाटल्यान आसा म्हणून. आनी हेंच दवरून हांव मुखार वचपाचो प्रयत्न चालू आसा. तिकेट म्हाजी ते कापली गेली, दुसऱ्या दिली. आनी तेन्नाच म्हाका आमचे रेजिनाल्ड डिकोस्ता मेळ्ळे आनी म्हणपा लागले, बाबा तूं आमचे पार्टेन यो, तुका मुखार वचपाक जाय, तूं बरो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आयकलां. आनी हें आयकोन म्हाकाय बरें दिसलें. हांव ते पार्टेक जॉयन जालो आनी आयज हांव ते पार्टेचे काल आमी फॉर्म भरला, जे आयज काल स्क्रुटिनी बी जावन आमी आतां मुखार वचपाक थारायलां. आनी म्हाका नक्कीच म्हाका विश्वास आसा की जे म्हाजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक आसात ते म्हाका विन करून दितले आनी हांव मुखार वयतलो, एसेंब्लीक पावतलो. कित्याक बरीचशी कामां जी आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक उरल्यांत ती पूर्ण करपाची, जी लोकांची सेवा करपाची म्हाज्या लोकांनी म्हाका दितले अशी म्हाका आशा. कितें आसा तर हांव भुरगेपणासान म्हाज्या एक लोकां कडेन वचपाची एक वेगळी पद्दत आशिल्ली म्हाजी, लोकांक एक सेवा दिवपाची. जे सोशल फिल्डांतल्यान हांव काम करीत येयलां आनी तेच सोशल फिल्डांतल्यान आतां हांव पॉलिटिकल फील्ड स्टार्ट केलां. आनी ह्या पॉलिटिकल फिल्डांत लोकांचे जो म्हाका जो पळय आदार आसा